Hello guys and welcome to my first video of a plane spotting session at Grater Rockfort. I found a good server for spotting some cool takeoffs and flybys. Let's get direct into it. So here at the start we have an Emirates Boeing 777 which flies to Greendevic. Oh, this player is lagging. Let's watch which other planes we have there. So there we have an Airbus A380 from British Airways which flies to Tokyo International. Oh damn, what is this guy doing there? Hope he's going away. So that was the British Airways A380. Now comes an Air France flight, which isn't listed where it's going. I think this Air France plane has a very cool design, with the camouflage. The real Avro Vulcan was a British strategic bomber from the Cold War era. It has also a very unique sound when it flies next to you. So here we have a Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt plane, which is also a military plane. In PTFS, this is the only aircraft with a functioning cannon, but it does not cause damage. This is how it is looking in game when you shoot. So let's watch how it is taking off. Yoo, what is he doing? So here we have a Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning, which is doing in fly-by right next to me. This dude is crazy. This pilot is crazy, but an Airbus Beluga, is it worth it to film? How steep will he take off? In PTFS, you can use the deployable bottom air stairs to access the crew and cockpit areas. The roof also features a large realistic opening. By the way, in real life, the Beluga transports wings, fuselages between Toulouse and Hamburg. This is an epic shot, I think. What is the pilot trying? Okay, he didn't get this far. As the last flight, we have an Boeing 747-400F cargo plane from UPS. In real life, is this plane used to transport freight containers above the Atlantic? This is the same like the Beluga, where the nose opens for freight loading. That was an actually good takeoff. So guys, thank you so much for staying until the end. I hope you enjoyed the video so much. I would be happy if you like and subscribe to this channel for never miss any other videos like this, and write a comment if you want more videos like this. So see you, bye.